8/31/2014, Sunday time, 9:33 a.m. We have in our platform, this is the MMT daily platform on the small cap index. And we can clearly see from a daily level when we were overbought up here at 695 on that small cap, we came straight down here mathematically and we hit those lows here at 640. That was quite a nice little pullback there. What I'm also going to show the MMTs is exactly this. When small cap had this reversal right here, we called that low right there on the small cap. Listen, the NASDAQ, the Dow, and all the rest of the indexes were outperforming this small cap index. And we can clearly see right here, mathematically in the MMT platform, we've made a major high up here in the small cap index. And this is simply a daily chart of that small cap index right here, right now. And it's pulling back. All eyes are going to be on the small cap index going through the calendar month of September, October, November, December. Here we can see on a weekly chart up here where the small cap had a nice pullback. And this is a weekly chart. And 671 is the wall of resistance. And this is the MMT platform. And this is what we use to make our trading decisions on, because it never lies. One of the things that we can show on the MMT platform is that this small cap index hit a low, and that low was on, actually, that low was down here a long time ago, and it was the low of 571. Currently, we're taking a look at where the small cap went up, and it was underperforming. Here is the low once again. We rallied up to all-time highs, we pulled back, and now the small cap has a major reversal. This is a 4-week trade in August, and like I said, that small cap is very important because small cap leads rallies, as they do. So, based on taking a look at this time frame that we have over here, is that the small cap finally came back to life, and it did. So one of the things that we're going to tell people here moving forward is the small cap stocks, which are in this index here. The small cap 600 is the weekly chart in the MMT platform. This is also a Midcap 400, and we're going to be covering it. But here are the stocks in the small S&P small cap 600. And we can take a look at BH. That's been a dog forever. Baker Hughes, the range is 929. These are the ranges in that small cap. And some of them we know quite well. And we're just taking a look at where these dollar price movements have been. And, you know, it goes all the way down here. There's nothing bearish about it at all. These are the ranges: VRTS, GCO, MicroStrategies. These are the dollar price ranges today. Today's range on the last trading day of the small cap 100. And not only that, when we pull that small cap chart back over here, we can clearly see that we had that reversal, and we did. So once again, I'm going to conclude the small cap 600, and I'm going to move on to, I want people to understand the S&P mid-cap index. Remember, small cap, mid-cap, they really lead rallies in these markets, and they have. I just want to show everyone we're coming up to a major double top. Let me just show you. We're coming up here to a major top, and we are. I'm going to draw a trend line right here. I'm also going to draw a trend line down here in the weekly chart, which is the red line is a 20-week. We got the 10-week. We've gone parabolically up in the month of what? August, the dog days of August. And one of the things that we clearly want to show is where the lows were a month ago. The lows on that index was 13.59 on H3. We've gone 4 weeks up in a row, and the high now is 14.38 on the mid-cap. So it's broad-based rally across the board with small cap, mid-cap that's in this video right here. We showed the stocks that are in here. Here are some of the stocks that we trade. NVR, of course. We got SLP X. We've got EQIX. These are the ranges on UTHR. 28 handles, $28.36 range today. And then we're going to just kind of go down the list, and we're going to find out what we're going to be trading in September, October, November, and December. But I will tell you, unlike anything else, the S&P mid cap, small cap, this is a mid cap. Wall of resistance is coming into play.